Good morning, students. Today I am going to tell you the format of your English test. Students, you all know that the test will be oral and will be conducted through a WhatsApp video call. So here I will explain you how the questions will be asked. First, the instructions of online test. So in this test you have to follow some instructions. The test will be oral and through WhatsApp video call only. So it is clear that the test will be oral and it will be conducted through a WhatsApp video call. Second, the oral test will be of 10 marks. So the test is of 10 marks. Third, timetable and timings are already given to the students. So students, you are already given the timetable, syllabus and the timings at which the WhatsApp call will be done. So fourth point, students should be ready at the given time. So at the given time you have to be ready and the call will be made. Now the format of English test. So according to the syllabus, I have given 4 types of questions. The first question will be word meanings. Second will be question and answers. These will be from the English course book lesson only. Then third is question answers based on lesson noun. So this will be from your grammar lesson noun. Then the last question will be pick out the noun from the sentence. So in this question I will tell you some sentence and you have to pick out the noun. Here the test pattern is discussed. I have given the questions with some examples. So students, you should not think that only these questions will come. You have to learn according to the syllabus. So the first question will be tell the meanings of the words. I will tell the word and you have to tell me the meaning. So first is wondered. So the meaning you will tell thought about something. Second, metal. So you will say hard, shiny material. Now the second type of question, answer the given questions. So here I will ask you the question and you have to give me the answers. First one, write which object was made of wood. So you will answer the bowl was made of wood. Second one, why did Pam have a sad face? So you will give the answer, Pam had a sad face because Jill's ring was dead. So these two questions are from the English course book lesson. Then question will be asked based on grammar. So the first question will be answer the given questions. So here first question is give any two names of persons. So you have to just tell the names, doctor and teacher. Then second question, give any two names of things. So you will say pencil, book. Students, here the answer will be according to your wish. You have to give the answers which you have learned. Now the second type of question will be pick out nouns from the given sentence. So in this I will tell you a sentence and you have to say the word which is noun. So the first question is where is Anupam? So in this sentence you know what is the noun, so you will say Anupam. Second one, the peacock dances. So you will say peacock. Like this I will ask you the questions when you are having the test. So students, I hope you have understood, and remember these questions are just for examples. You have to learn all the questions based on this pattern which is given in your syllabus. So best of luck students, prepare well for your test. Thank you.